Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are brand new here. In today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Converse Scooby-Doo collaboration range. So I brought a pair of shoes from this range and I'm in love with them, so I thought I'd make a little video unboxing them, showing you guys what they look like, just in case you're interested. If you want to see what shoes I picked up from this range, then just keep on watching. So this is the box that they come in. I am in love with this. This is so cool to me. This is the side here, so it says Converse and it has the little flowers there. This is the side, that's the back, and this is the side with all the shoe details on it, and then the bottom is just plain blue. I love it because it's in the colors of the Mystery Machine. I love when brands do like really cool collaborations because the packaging and the detail and stuff like that is just really good. I'm just gonna open it up. So upon opening, this is what we are greeted with. So these are the ones I got the Mystery Machine ones. These were a nightmare to find, may I just add. So initially when I first went to buy them, they sold out super fast, but I was really lucky because they had a restock, so I managed to get them as soon as they come back, which I'm very grateful for. I will pop on screen how much they are. This is how much they would cost. This is what they look like together. This is the pair. So this is the top part just there, that's what that looks like, and then on the side it has the Converse logo just there, and then down here it has the Mystery Machine print, and this is all embroidered as well. If you can see there, that's all embroidered, which I think is really nice. The bottoms of the shoes look like this, so they are orange, which I just love. Like, what a contrast. They look so cool and it actually matches so well. So where it would normally say All Star, instead it says Scooby Snack as like a license plate, which I think is so cute. It's such a nice little attention to detail, I think. Along the sides here it has all of the gang from Scooby-Doo, so you've got Shaggy, Scooby, Velma, you've got Fred and Daphne just down there as well. And then opening the shoe up, on the inside you can see in the bottom there it says Converse Scooby-Doo, and then the tongue of the shoe does have one of the flowers on as well, and this is embroidered. So overall, first impressions, I really love these shoes. I think they are just so out there and so vibrant. I know they did some more subtle designs, but for me, I really wanted the vibrant Mystery Machine ones. I've just noticed as well on the tongue they actually have this, so it says driver's name, as if like who's driving the Mystery Machine, which I think is really cute. It's such a cute idea. And then you can see there it's got Scooby's little paw print, which I think is really cute. I am really happy with these. I think they're definitely worth the money. If you want to go out and kind of have a little treat, definitely try and pick these up. They are really cute. So that is my unboxing of the Scooby-Doo Converse collection and the shoes that I got. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Let me know in the comments below if you picked up anything from the range. I'd love to hear. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up, subscribe down below if you are new, and I will see you in the next video. Bye everyone!